Hello, good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you? Happy Friday. Morning. Let's see who's here. Hi, Gomez. How are you? Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Right, okay. Let's wait for another a minute or few seconds before we jump into a call. Hi, Nick. How are you? Hi, Zach. Right, please confirm screen okay, voice okay, everything is fine, so we can jump into it. All good, all right, okay. Liquidity, it's pre-market. What a sell-off, man. I'm gonna miss it. No worries. All right, okay. Anyways, let's go. Right, okay. Same as okay. Let's start from a daily. Uh, it's same from a morning. Not much have been changed. We are into a weekly and daily fair value gap right now. Targets to this daily fair value gap if we tapped. But the only thing I'm looking, it will be nice if we have swapped that previous day lows that we left untapped, unswapped in the Asia and London session. So that's a bit of a thing I'll be looking into. But anyways, going into 6 hour, we inverted this fair value gap, and now we're coming back into this inversion. So it's gonna be nice if this inversion holds or completely invert back to the downside. If we get something like this displacement to the downside, then I'm looking for a previous day low. Till then, obviously no trade pre-market. We can't jump into a trade before that. On 4 hour, nothing, exactly the same thing. 6 hour is exact. We inverted, and then straight after that, we rejecting from there. This is a bit of concerning for me, but we got a CISD on 1 hour uh, down here, but this is a very impulsive candle. We're rejecting from this order block. The order block is responsible for all the sweep over here. Price, and look at this impulsive candle. That's responsible for all these sweeps. And price went to this order block and then didn't sustain the prices over there. Now we're back into this 90-minute fair value gap. If you look at 90-minute fair value gap, well, actually this is down over here. We're still a bit above the 90-minute fair value gap, but this is the 6 hour inversion basically. So I'm looking how the price reacts at the open into this fair value gap. And no bias, I'm a neutral. I'm not looking for higher prices or lower prices. I'll react according the prices. Okay, so we're leaving this bearish fair value gap. I'll be looking if the price tap into in and how we react. So, hi, bro. Two things. If we invert hit straightway and got a displacement, I'm looking for lower prices. If we go over there, reject from there, then looking for lower prices. Accept, invert it, and above this order block, I'm looking at higher prices to the previous day low and then daily fair value gap. Simple as that. So going into session, right, okay. I was watching this before pre-market, this order block. This is a 1 hour order block and a 15 minutes order block as well. If you look at 15 minutes, so this is such a nice order block. I marked here, and 1 hour and 15 minutes order block. That is, that was very powerful order block when this order block took all this liquidity and the price came in. Then I was watching how it reacts from there, and it's wow. This is amazing, Candleman. What happened here? Wow. Okay. Right. Okay. So let's see. We go another 2 minutes before we open. I think it's going to be interesting session. Mm-mm-mm-mm. What is this pre-market candles, man? Flipping out. Right. Okay. Any questions, guys? We got right. We got another 1 minute 22 seconds before the market opens. Anybody took a trade in London, Asia, pre-market, anything? This is a very nice reaction, man. I was looking for this 15-minute CISD and look at that. We got 1 minute and 1 minute basically. And look at this, the candle reacted from this area, that is very, very bullish. I can't enter a trade. I got 1 minute. I need to wait before bungee jump candle. I know, man, 100%. And openly goes all the way to a one candle to previous day high, like Bitcoin doing these days. I'm sure looking at Bitcoin 3 sessions, 3 days, and took along in London. All right, okay, good stuff. And 3 months price inverted in only in 3 sessions. Right, here we go. Okay, see, that's why I said pre-market. Nah, it looks so tempting to get into this, but look at this moves. 70-point move, 67-point move in like a couple of minutes, up and down. Enough to blow your account. If I enter a bloody 5 micros, took some metal long setup. Metal, yeah. I mean, I don't trade metal except sometime gold, and that is only swing trades. All right, so we open now. Price not really get back to this fair value gap in 15 minutes, just below, came down, inverting all that. So I think we need to wait. I'm gonna wait for a couple more minutes. You know how the US session is very choppy, so inverted all that. So I'll wait how the price reacts. So what we have here. Looks good for a short. What is this line? So we are still in this. So yeah, it's very powerful. Looks like there is no chance. He's just running to these lows. Very aggressive. Now I'll be watching what happens if we get back into this fair value gap here, and then, you know, I mean, entering here is going to be a former for me. So because the price is so aggressively in the last first 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and the stop loss is very high. I mean, there is no logical stop anywhere just above here, and that is 121-point stop loss. So I'll be uh, I'll be patient here. Mm, 15 minutes looks so bad. 1 hour, just one candle took all these wicks, be inverting, but obviously we got a lot of time. Okay. Hi DB, how are you? Patient here, patient here. I'll be waiting for this price tap into this fair value gap that we left over here, and then from there I'll take a decision how the price reacts. It's just no, so we know where we are into fair value gap. So only this fair value gap we tapped into it, and then price is rejecting from here, but I still be watching. What is 5 minutes doing? Yeah. Come on, wait for me, Nas. Come on. Don't leave me behind. Is it possible that it still goes into a bear OB 29532? 29532. 532, where is it? All right, over here on this one. 560 to take the liquidity. Not sure, because looking at this price, anything can be possible, because if you look at the whole week, this week is, I mean, it's very consolidating, and it's expected anyways. I'm not surprised. If you look on the left hand side over here, before this leg down, what happened over here? See, all this is happening again over here. Before this leg down is happening over here now. So this is expected before we get another leg up or down. That will tell. I'm not sure what we're gonna have, but yeah, it's expected over here. So look at this fucking 15-minute candle, man. That's happening in first 5 minutes before after open. All this move. And the whole week the price is just been like on 1 hour, just not moving at all. Yeah, I mean, there's no tap back, no retest or anything. So I mean, looking at the price, looks like we are already done for the day. I mean, price just keep going all the way to a previous day low, and we don't get an entry. That's pretty sad, man. Shame that we didn't get entry. He was such a nice shot from here, from this order block. And I was just waiting for a market to open and just take the short with you guys. I was expecting the price come back, sweep these equal highs, over here, all these, and then we can get something to the down. But, you know, it looked like before these two candles, yeah, we're gonna go sweep that, and then, all right, let's see. Anybody short? Anybody get into a trade? I haven't seen Steve today. Is it? Oh, hi, Steve. Did you get into a trade? I mean, I didn't get my entry. So there's a CISD on this candle over here. On this one, I was looking to tap back into here somewhere and get a rejection, but it just keeps sliding down. Yeah, exactly. I have the same reason. It was so close, and I thought I'm gonna let it wait for the open, and I'll take a shot, and he just front running it. No, man, I'm touching this. No, please, will stop. I know, I know. It just so quickly happened. I mean, whole week is so dragging, and this things happened so quickly. I wasn't even expecting that quick. And here, there's leaving no favor value gap at all. What the? Let's see what ES is doing. Let's go to 15 minutes. Oh, look at YM. Hopefully, we get some retracement. I'm no worried. We get some retracement. Okay, we have this 5 minute fair value gap here. I'm just checking. I mean, if we get come here and if we get into a short, there's enough risk to reward on previous day low. Yeah, something 160, 170 points. No energy anymore. Buyers are getting exhausted. Maybe we need another tap into these fair value gaps, and then you can get another leg down or inversion, and then we look for higher prices. So again, all it's same as yesterday's price, and then almost all week's price. First 5-10 minutes, you get a one volatile move, and after that, just price just hang around for hour, 2 hour in a one tight range, doing nothing, just chopping around, and before a clear move. Like yesterday, what happened? Uh, there wasn't any clear short or long. We were looking for a short, but price has been just all day, and then in the night it start moving down after 3 hours and 4 hours. I mean, today what happened is there is no manipulation at all. I open normally we get manipulation. Today we just open and stayed this straight drop. I mean, normally we have like chop up, down, and then we get a displacement, and today it just open straight. This candle is open over here, and then look at this from there, straight drop. There's nothing. I wasn't expecting that. All these levels are so close. London low, Asia low, previous day low. If somebody got into short pre-market, that's flipping lucky for him. How's your accounts going, Zach? I haven't seen you for a while. You're very on and off these days. You're missing a lot of streams. How's trading? I think we have PMI, ISM data as well. I think 345.50 or something. Let me see. 245 PMI, yeah, it's already out just now. So manufacturing PMI, we missed it. Are you selling your business soon? Being a bit busy. All right, okay. What business you have? What sort of business you run? Come on, Nas, do something. See, that's what I'm saying. Even yesterday, after this initial move, first 5 minutes, and this is like the boring part. Courier, all right, okay, good man. So you're coming full time to trading now, yeah? I'm marking this 15 minutes or maybe or play. Let's get rid of this. 19-minute get rid. Whoa, look at this candle. Still learning part-time. All right, okay. Are you looking for a new business to start or something? Three candles up, one candle down. Three candles up, one candle. Maybe we're gonna get an entry around 10ish, 10 o'clock. So I'll wait. I was really interested in daily fair value gap price. Go over there and reject from there. But he rejected from order block. Didn't have energy to go all the way here. Going to take a break first. Had my business for 23 years, so want to relax. So yeah, it's good idea, man. Good idea. That's why we work hard for, 23 years. Bloody hell. That's a long time. Don't want to look at 15-second and 30-second chart. No fair value gap anymore on 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute. In trading, everything is fine. I mean, since when you learn it, when you become consistent, you start making everything is fine. It's just only one thing I really hated is the boarding part. 70%, 80% of the time, you're just gonna sit down and just wait for your setup to appear, wait for the price action to give you something to enter a trade. You know, this is the boring part. I mean, price can stay like this for hours and hours and hours, and then you get really fed up. And some people, most of them, not some people, basically, if price stays like that for hour, for example, right, in this range for all this long, most of the people get so bored and fed up, and they start forcing trades over here in this, and they get chopped. They blow their account and they get chopped, and just unnecessary trades out of boredom. But and after that, most traders get just quit. By this time, oh yeah, I had enough. It's very draining, very boring. So and and then actually real move happens. This is the worst part in trading: waiting and boredom. You have to develop that patience that you can wait. If nothing is clear, then you can sit down on your hands doing nothing. Okay, we're leaving this range. I mean, come on, slow down, Nas. Slow down. Fucking hell. I want to enter a shot here. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for this 5 minute candle to close outside this range. If the candle close over here, and then I'll enter my stop loss going to be on the top of this 5 minute candle and just targeting previous day low. I do not know that enough risk to reward, but depends on the where this candle close. Say here, we have about 100 points, maybe goes up below. Oh, look at the YM flipping hell. This thing is not stopping, man. This first 5 minute candle, I know, I know, Steve, this is unbelievable. There's no stop, no stopping. This is a very big stop loss. What? 50, 80 points, 90 points. Yeah, and then this week from Asia low. No, I'm not taking it. Mm, let's look at 1 hour. What the fuck? Look at this 1 hour candle from this order block. Ah, I wish this order block, this all happen in the market and we can take it, not pre-market. Fuck's sake. Maybe gonna go to previous day low, but the reaction on the Asia low, it's not giving me a feel, and I'm not very confident into a trade. It's gonna be a very risky trade. So if you guys want a, its candle is closed below, and if look at this reaction, so I mean it's go sweep all that, and then it's not giving me a feel. And thanks God I didn't enter a short over here, on this close. Yeah, but I'm not saying it's not gonna sell. Maybe just reject again from this fair value gap, but it's just from here tapped into it and reject again. But it's just SMTES with Asia low. 1 second. Asia low is all the way down here. No? Oh, sorry, no. 5 minutes. Why the Asia low is over here? Asia low is all the way down here on ES. MNQ taken, but ES hasn't. All right. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-mm. Let's see, I'm gonna take maybe how many points here? 40, 45 points. Is it enough risk to reward? 1.8, 1.9. All right, okay. Let's see. None of the candles is closed below Asia low. So if we get a bullish reaction, and I'll look for London low, Asia low, ILM. So it's the same thing. You got a bullish in a medium term and a bearish now. So this is the manipulation. Probably price goes over here, and then probably I'll look for the longs if I play. Nothing so far, guys. Just price is basically did a bit of this move over here to the Asia low and then just back into the range. So there's no follow through on either of the side till we don't get a follow through out of this. I mean, maybe now sweep to the previous day low and or maybe just Asia low ILM to the upside till we don't have, at least I don't have a trade. I mean, my model doesn't present. So I have to wait. I can't see a like a good energy to the upside either and to the downside either. I mean, it's just consolidating and very, very undecisive after the initial move, of course. I'm not talking about this move, but in this zone. Anybody took any trades, any short? Zach, you took? I mean, somebody took it here. That's nice. But if you miss this, I mean, there is no trade in this zone though. This is no trade zone for me. Nothing. 'I had a very small scalp this morning, except that I had no trade day today. I was more busy looking at the Bitcoin and Ethereum, taking my profits in here. So I took 3 profits, last one over here, one tapped into this, and then now it's watching to this fair value gap here. If the price comes back to add some more, 1.3. No, not worth taking 1.3. I mean, I do not scalp mostly DB, but I look for 2 hour, at least 1.9, 2 hour minimum, not below. So I mean, even if this candle close over here, look at this reaction, it's gonna go all the way to down there. But do you have enough risk to reward? For example, if you enter the trade over here and you put the stop loss just above all these here, at least above this, I mean, that's going to be a decent stop just above this fair value gap, and then you here is your risk reward is just one. So I mean, doesn't make any sense to me, to be honest with you. 1 to 1 ratio, I do not. Uh, I wouldn't take it. I never take 1 to 1. I mean, if this something and then all the way here, somewhere here, say previously low is, you know, 2.5, 3 hour or something. So at least you got all the room to book some partials or profit something. But I won't take such a trade. I know a lot of people do 1 hour, right? And some do a negative hour as well, but I don't know how they do it. And I'm not really negative hour trader basically. Even if it's here somewhere and probably consider a 1.8, 1.9, you slightly above here, you can, but I mean, this is very risk to reward is not. And look at that, what happened here. I mean, somebody took it, yes, we failed, come back, candle close below Isha low. Okay, you got something that, yeah, you're going to go and then he's come back over, and then if you put a stop loss over here, and you already stopped out. Negative R is some people, Steve, what the trade is -2 R to gain zero point 0.5 R. For example, negative R traders are okay, they want to target here previous day and they're going to put the stop loss all the way here. So that's negative R trading. A lot of people do it. I don't know how they're profitable. Is fucking hell. They put their stop loss too high. Okay, let's see what sort of reaction we got here. About the CISD, about all this area basically. 5 minutes. Right. Okay. So far, a good reaction. Yeah, I know. No, no, no. They do it. They really negative are. Yeah. I mean, they are like, just take a, for example, short here, target here, and now what they're going to do is they're going to put a stop loss all the way up just above here. So, and what is this? Your 0.5, So you're risking 3 parts to gain a quarter. HM, you can't stay away from charts, bro. I'm telling you, you are addicted. I thought you were going to take a day off till next week. And here you are. Welcome, my brother. How are you doing? And thanks God you stayed away. I mean, you're still in short. I'm still in. You're still in what? It's the same price as yesterday here, HM, when you were trading. It's the same chop. It's fucking nothing. Long, you call bottom. What bottom? This bottom, A shallow. I think you said you're not trading. Yo, I'm not trading today, just came to watch. That's what you said, innit? And now you're saying you're in long. Bro. One scalp doesn't count, right? Okay. I didn't know that, bro. I mean, I'm not convinced. I'm not confident in long as of now. I'm still, I mean, coming all the way here. Maybe we got this 15 minutes fair value gap here. I could just get rid of this one. And where did you get in? Just on this sweep over here on this candle. You should close it, bro. 50 points, I mean, what you need 40, 50 points because the price is very choppy. Very choppy. Because one candle gonna go all the way down here. Trust me. If it goes down there, one candle will take all of it. Look at these candles to the down. And one candle will take you to here as well. So do not blame me. Oh, come on, you told me I closed in. Fucking hell, look at this moon candle all the way here to this order block. What shit price action, man. Not liking it. This week is so bad. I mean, I hated trading this week. Trade on 15 seconds. You out by now, bro. By the time you send me the text, yeah, this message, you're already out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at all these 7, 8 candles. Not going anywhere. Wish next week gonna be a nice price action. August is always like this. Yeah, I don't know. September, everybody back to normal trading. Universities open, school open, back to normal life. So hope we get some nice stop 40 points. Not bad, man. We sat here for 1 hour, we got nothing. This drop, we're looking to sell actually, and this is a pre-market. We couldn't get into a trade. And this is before the opening. I was looking for these equal highs, go back, sweep, maybe tap into this order block, some sort of manipulation, and get into it. But today, this is the open candle. 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4, 5 minutes, we just got here, and after that, just chop. And there's no entry. I mean, I've seen ES is much better trading these days, man. Look at that. I mean, at least ES is better than, look at the NQ, YM as well. Say this. Hmm, no. No model, no trade in this, guys. I'm so sorry. Price is just being shit. I couldn't frame a trade out of this. Come on, previous day low. Thanks God you closed the trade over here. At least you made a 40 points, bro. And 1 million 40 points is bloody 800 quid. This week I didn't make flipping 800 quid on my Top Step account. Yeah, I made some on Apex, but Top Step is just nah. I'm gonna take a small stab here on this. I'm gonna go short here. Very small trade. Right. Yeah. So this is my trade. 1 second. Sorry. Delay. I'll be targeting 2 hour, but I remember I enter here and my stop loss is just this above this 5 minute candle and 2 hour. It's not 2 hour here, of course. So let's see. What the happened? What the fuck I've done? Shit, how you get closed? Okay, anyways. TP here. Right, okay, I'm in this trade, guys. Let's see what happened. Oh yeah, HM, I found out about that 3K account on TopStep. And it's you know that you basically just make a 3K on that account. There's no 50% or nothing. You just withdraw 3K and account is gone. So you buy another 3K account, withdraw all 100% of it, and account gone. Just a one shot. That's it. No 3, 4, 5 payouts, no live, nothing. You made 3K out. Make 3K, withdraw it out, account gone. After one withdrawal. That sounds nice to me. So far, a nice reaction. Let's see what happened, guys. I mean, I told you it's a bit of risky trade because of all this shop, and previous day low is very close here as well. When we get to previous day low, you take partial or close your position or move to break even. It's up to you. How do you manage it? Or you have to do it twice. All right, okay. So basically, you can withdraw 3K twice. So total 6K, and then account is gone. I opened my top step. Basically, I couldn't find this. I want to buy it, and then I just didn't find start trading combine. There's only like it's only like invitation only, isn't it? So normally when you go to your dashboard, you have a like message, okay, buy this account. Top Step Labs. All right, so you have to go to Top Step Labs and just get it from there. That's Top Step Labs. Come on, push. Guys, if anybody in this trade, please do manage it because we can get a violent reaction at previous day low. I'm not really sure how down or up, but if you are into trade, please do manage it. I'm in this trade, and then what I'm going to do is when we hit over there, I'm not going to take a profit. I'm going to go to break even, or maybe I'm in 5 contracts, so probably I'll take a three off. Yeah, let's change it to three, and I'll take a three off over here, and then I just keep two. Okay. How do you log in into Top Step Labs? When I click on the login, I just bloody take me back to my dashboard. All right, Acham. Thank you. See you later, man. Have a nice weekend. Is anyone in this shop, guys? Come on, come on. Another 30 points. Do you have any more targets to the downside? I'm just watching. Yeah, I mean, 6 hour looks ultra shit. 4 hour looks very bearish. 1 hour isn't bad to the downside, leaving a massive fair value gap over here in 38 minutes. Yeah, 38 minutes is quite, but yeah. I'll wait for previous day low and then I'll manage my trade. Before that, I'm not going to move my stop loss from there. Zach, you in all right, okay. So when we get here, please do manage and then take some off maybe. And then after that, I'm in 5 contracts. I'm gonna take three off from here, and I just move stop loss to break even on two. Flipping out, I got SMT again. So on 15 minutes, NQ took this low, and ES failed to, and YM is all the way up here. So you got this as SMT with them too. So just go to look at that over here. This move, I thought maybe something happened with the SMT, so I just watched it. Anyways, if I'm stop out, I'm stop out, but I'm not gonna move my stop loss. So on top of this 5 minute candle, looks nice. It's a nice reaction from here, but okay. So we looks like we're rejecting from this 5 minutes fair value gap that we left here. This one here. Let's see. So far, nice reaction from this, but we need more. We need more to play this. If we get another leg down over here, that's going to take a previous day low. If we invert this and then we're in the water. Yeah, that's fine. Thanks for joining, Nick. I think I'm gonna go as well. It's a very big session, long session today. It's nice talking to all of you. This is the trade, anyways. I'm gonna stick to my stop loss. I'm not micromanaging it. If I'm stop out, and this is the only trade I'm gonna take today. No more trades. Thank you, everyone, for joining, and I'll see you on Monday. Thank you. Have a nice weekend. Take care. Bye.